There is what you see happening on the cooking surface, and then there is the magic brewing behind the scenes, reaching far beyond. Beyond the sleek glass ceramic surface of each cooktop, you will often find EuroKera, the global community of passionate people across 5 locations: France, the United States, China, and Thailand, united by strong core values: respect, ambition, passion. Respect is the cornerstone of trust. It is reflected in our products, each rigorously tested and inspected. It is evident in our dedication to sustainable cooking, using materials that are endlessly recyclable. It is woven into the connections that unite us, from our factories to your kitchens. Every innovation we offer is infused with the expertise of our parent companies, Saint-Gobain and Corning. This expertise is evident in our wide range of solutions, customized designs, precise and limitless cutting and decoration options, and our commitment to innovating with our partners to meet the needs of tomorrow. Our passion drives us to create innovative, high-performance glass ceramic solutions that have enhanced the cooking experience for over 35 years. This dedication connects us with our ambassador, 3-star French chef Arnaud Lallemand. It is what inspires us daily to infuse every cooking surface with that extra touch of soul. Beyond the surface.